24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano in every way that really matters is floating at $450,994,464 in a significant manner. ADA especially acquired roughly 3.22% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in an essentially enormous manner. Cardano's EMA10, all things considered, shows a vertical pattern, which in a real sense is very critical. Cardano basically shows negative force throughout the end of the week, which especially is very huge. 20 January 2024, in this video we will sort of walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, generally got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What fundamentally is truly transient cost expectation for Cardano, basically is ADA a kind of wise venture, which sort of is very huge. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, showing how ADA by and large acquired roughly 3.22% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in a very enormous manner. In any case, prior to plunging truly profound into the ADA specialized examination, certainly let us for the most part discuss the very current economic situations, which most certainly shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano in a real sense is floating at $450,994,464 in a by and large enormous manner. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,634,390,721,246, exhibiting how ADA by and large acquired roughly 3.22% inside the in every practical sense most recent 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. The really all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $57,055,176,489, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span, showing that 20 January 2024. In this video, we will truly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these habitually most certainly sought clarification on some things, facts. What by and large is truly momentary cost expectation for Cardano, in a real sense is ADA a kind of wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana sort of is somewhere near 2.93 and right now exchanging at $91.67, exhibiting how ADA in a real sense acquired roughly 3.22% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, XRP came to 55 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0% in esteem, which in a real sense is very huge. These occasions sort of show that the market essentially is going in an exceptionally descending bearing for sort of present moment, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, an extremely broad most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which by and large shows that Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting how ADA acquired roughly 3.22% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, which by and large is genuinely critical. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52% in a significant manner. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become certainly more genuinely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially shows that right now, a fundamentally broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly shows that Cardano support and opposition levels and so on exhibiting how ADA truly acquired roughly 3.22% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which vendors by and large become move certainly dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Cardano, ADA. Cardano execution ADA for the most part has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 3.22% in most recent 24 hours, by and large further appearance, how Cardano especially shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an unpretentious manner. The genuinely current worth of Cardano generally is drifting at 52 cents, with the exchanging volume of $450,994,464 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, certainly further appearance how 20 January 2024. In this video, we will especially walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for sort of the following week, and in every practical sense. Attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense. Got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what fundamentally is especially transient cost expectation for Cardano, truly is ADA and in every practical sense, wise venture, which essentially is genuinely huge. The exceptionally by and large market cap for ADA sort of is $18,238,740,451 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 6.16% throughout the week, showing how the truly complete exchanging volume really remains at $57,055,176,489 in an especially significant manner. Cardano value examination ADA cost examination for 20 January 2024, inside a truly everyday time period, essentially made sense of beneath, showing how Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Exhibiting how which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every way that really matters, straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving pretty normal, EMA, to explicitly dissect the future development of the Cardano. So Cardano's EMA10 especially shows a vertical pattern in an essentially significant manner. The ADA United States dollar moving fundamentally normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer in every practical sense, is showing a present moment generally sell signal as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath commonly signal line which in a real sense